Hi, I'm Phil, and not all DIY goes to plan, as this project filmed 7 years ago demonstrates.
This is my bedroom. It's my intention at some point to paint it grey, have some grey carpets, but right now it's beige and I'm stuck with that. However, I've been doing some planning, as you do, and you can see that my furniture is kind of dark wood, and I've also got these turquoise lampshades. Now, turquoise lampshades are fine, but they don't really go with the new sofa I've just bought. So I'm going to try and stain them green. Now, staining lampshades is a well and good, but I'm going to try spraying them with paint. This is special fabric spray paint. It's like dyeing them but with a spray rather than dunking them in a bucket full of green water. Let's see how well this goes. Now, this is either going to be really clever or really stupid, but I'm going to use this. Yeah, I think that'll work quite well.
It was at this point I was thinking that the spray wasn't quite what I'd expected, which should have been foreboding enough by itself. The camera was so ashamed of what was happening it didn't even want to focus on the action. For some reason, I persevered and went on to ruin all of the lampshades. I think the conclusion of this is that the spray wasn't wide enough and the lampshades were probably the wrong type of fabric. Now, I went on to do something else with the lighting in my room, but that's for a future video, so until then, goodbye and good luck.